Mira, bobo, ¿qué mira, bobo? Mira, bobo, ¿qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo, anda para allá. Messi. Mira, bobo, ¿qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo.
Thank you, Neymar.
Nowadays, gaining followers on Instagram is way easier than you think. Take a look at this Instagram page. This page gained over 5 lakh followers in just a week. Yes, you heard that right. In just a week, this page reached over 5 lakh followers by posting simple videos and you. Now I'll guide you on how to do the same with AI. Therefore, watch this video until end. There are 4 simple steps to help you make videos like this. Step 1. Write a prompt for images. Step 2. Generate images. Step 3. Animate the images. Step 4. Edit the clips. Step 1 first. You need image prompts for your video. Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT, link the description. ChatGPT. Write a perfect prompt for an image of the famous footballer Cristiano Ronaldo in a Real Madrid jersey where he is cooking after typing. Click send and ChatGPT will generate a perfect prompt for you. Next, move on to the second prompt. Write a perfect prompt for an image of the famous footballer Lionel Messi eating noodles with his World Cup. Once done, click send and ChatGPT will provide the prompt for you. For the third prompt, write a perfect prompt for an image of both Messi and Ronaldo in a single picture smiling at each other. Now copy all the prompts and paste them into Notepad or WordPad. Step 2. Generate images. Now let's convert this prompt into images using Ideogram AI image generator. To do this, go to Ideogram using my description link. Sign up with your Google account. Copy and paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Then click the drop down arrow and select the aspect ratio. For Instagram, use the 9:16 ratio, and for YouTube, use 16:9. I'm going with the 16:9 ratio then. Click generate. The images will take few seconds to generate. Let's wait a few seconds until generation is complete. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel to learn how to access over 600 plus AI tools. Now let's go back and look at our results. Click the image to see the outcome. The result is absolutely stunning. It looks like a real picture of Ronaldo. When you're satisfied with the results, click on the 3 dots on your profile. Select download and save the image as a JPEG. Repeat the same process for the second image. Remove the previous prompt. Paste the second image prompt. Choose the aspect ratio and click generate. Download the second image. When ready, finally do the same for the third image. Paste the third prompt, choose the aspect ratio. Click generate and download the image. Step 3. Animate the images. Visit Hailuo. Step 3. Create AI video using Hailuo AI and Minimax video generator. .com using the link in the description, which will take you to the Minimax website. Sign up with your Google account, then upload the image we created using Ideogram. Enter your prompt and click create. It will generate a video in about a minute. Once the video is ready, click to view the results. The output is absolutely impressive. When you're satisfied with the results, click download. Due to time constraints, follow the same steps for the remaining images. To create a video. Step 4. Combine the AI video clips using CapCut software. All the video clips. Open CapCut. Click import and bring in all the video clips, drag and drop each video into the timeline. Make the necessary edits, such as trimming, cropping, adding transitions, music and text as needed. Once everything is ready, click export and here is our final.
Yummy.
¿Qué mira, bobo? ¿Qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo.